although in some places it is reported to be dangerous to humans. However, this white furry bear also has a funny side. The polar bear is known as a wild animal that walks in a snowy area. It wants to go to the other side, but it turns out to be separated by very slippery ice. But try to look at this polar bear looking for a way to get to the other side. It turns out that he crossed the slippery ice by crawling or walking on his stomach. He did that so that he wouldn't fall and slip if he walked normally. The way the polar bear crossed the slippery ice is really funny considering that he is still a carnivorous wild animal.